Hello friends, welcome back in Asian Tech Academy. As we had discussed in my last video that we had discussed about top and bottom rules, right? Now in this session we are going to cover about data bars. But before going to start my workshop, just look at this my report. Now I have some profit ratio and similarly a bar chart I have applied on my sheet. If I change values like something like $319, see what happened. Like you can see my graph is change accordingly my values, right? So isn't it cool, right? We can highlight our data with bars with the help of conditional formatting, right? So we are not going to discuss about the applying chart and all. Yes, we can apply a bar in each and every cells of that value. Okay, so let's get started how we can do that. Just select your data. Fine, just select your data, go to home tab, conditional formatting. The third option is yes, data bars. Yes, you can see there are two types of bars. One is gradient fills and another one is solid fill, right? You can see in solid fill the graph are showing in a dark color. In gradient fill they are a little bit light colors, right? With the help of these two options, gradient fills and solid fills, we can apply the bars on that values. But the question is that I want to highlight my values in another columns, right? So how we can do that? Just first of all, I'm just going to delete it, right? I'm just type heading profit graph. You can type whatever your requirement is. I'm just going to apply a format painter like this. Good. See, and little bit, graph applied. Fine. See, so insert a new blank column just beside of your database, uh, and make a relation between these two cells. How? Just with the help of equal to, select your cells and just hit enter, and you can drag it towards down side on those columns on those cells which are having some values, right? A condition formally cannot apply on a blank cells. So I just make the relationship between these and these cells, and then go to conditional formatting, click on data bars and select any one of them, right? So you can see a graph, but the problem is I want to remove my numbers too, so that it should be look like a magical. So just go to conditional formatting again, go to manage rules, click on edit. Yes, this is the option is called show bars only, and this is the field where you can select your color as well. Fine. So if I click on show bar only, then click on ok, and once I click on apply button, you can see numbers are vanished. Then click on ok. So with the help of this trick, you can create your own bar chart in conditional formatting. So do apply on your database, make it magical. Similarly, you can apply not only the bar graph, but some you can apply some icons too. Just you just select it, and firstly I am just going to clear it out, and just go to icons bar. Yeah, there are a lot of options, right? You can apply some icons as well, right? But I'm just going to give you some conditions to highlight your icons. Fine. Let's take an example. If my value is more than 250, right, then there should be a green arrow. If my value is more than $110, then it should be look like yellow arrows, and for less than 110, then it must be red zone, right? Red arrows. So how we can apply icons according to our rules? You have to select your data, go to conditional formatting, icons. If you select any one of icons in that particular list, this will apply by default, but you have to apply your own conditions. You must go to like manage rules, new rules, there is an option, it's called format sales. Format all sales based on their values. Click, their option is called icon sets, right? So here three icons are showing, but you can change it with arrows like green and yellow one and the red one. Fine. It's taken by default some percentage, but I want to put my condition, my values, then I'll take numbers and will write 250. If the value is greater than or equal to or greater than 250, then there should be green arrows, and for yellow one the value is more than 110. And just look at there, this less than 250 is already taken by default in Excel. So already Excel understand that you are talking about the more than 110. It means the value should be in between 110 and 250, and you need not to give the last condition for a red one, right? Just click on OK and apply and OK. You can see, right, there is no value which is less than 110. That's why it's not showing in red color. Similarly, if you click on this option, the numbers will not shown on your database, right? And the last one is you can apply more than one arrows, more than one condition as well in conditional formatting. You can take more arrows, like if you have more conditions you can take maximum 5 arrows. I mean to say you can apply maximum 5 conditions one time in Excel in conditional formatting. Okay, so just do apply on your database. So I hope this video will helpful for all of you. Still, if you are not having subscribed our channel Nurture Tech Academy, please do subscribe. Nurture Tech Academy continuous uploading some important videos for all of you, and we love to hear your suggestion, your ideas, how you apply this trick in your database. We really appreciate this one. If you have any query questions, you can write it down in comment box. And thank you so much for watching this. Thank you, friend.